Microphone testing 1 2 3. Microphone testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? So how did I improve the video sound quality? Stay tuned to see what I used to improve the video sound quality right after this. Thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I am sharing to you all these microphones that I purchased from Amazon, and we'll be doing an unboxing and testing of the sound quality and let you hear the comparison of these microphones compared to the built-in microphones in the camera. By the way, I will be leaving links on the bottom of the description below if you are interested, curious, or would like to learn more of the item. Feel free to check them out. As starting my new channel, I need microphones, and I've been searching online, and there are many different types of microphone, which is very hard for me to pick to see which one I should use for my channel. And also my searching criteria for the item, I don't want to spend too much money to break the bank. They ranges from $5 to thousands of dollars, and I do have a budget and I don't want to spend that much money. After all the searching, I decided to try out these lavalier microphones to see if they will work out for my channel. This is the microphone that I got. And this microphone set actually comes in two. So it comes with two microphones. It's the SoLID 2 microphone interview set. So as of this recording, I am actually using one of the microphone sets. So you can actually hear the sound quality of this microphone while I unbox the package and let you see what accessory comes with the packaging. So it's really nice. This package comes with a carrying zipper pouch, so you can easily organize and put all your microphones and accessories inside this little pouch and put it in your bag. And this is the actual microphone. It's a lavalier type of microphone, so meaning it's a clip-on mic that you see a lot of people interviewing people. So the good things about these microphones, the starting price is not that expensive, and the results of these microphones is pretty significant, because usually you clip it right on the neck or middle of the chest. If you don't speak that loud, clip it on the neck of the shirt. That way it's really closest to your mouth. So when you speak, you don't have to speak that loud, and it will pick up very good. So since I'm using one of these microphones, everything that I show you right now comes in two sets. So it comes with two of these microphones. The length of these microphones is 1 meter long. If 1 meter long is not enough for you, it actually comes with an extension cable, which is 2 meters long. Very convenient feature. And since it's an interview set, these microphones comes with a splitter. So you plug this into your device, and then it splits into two. And then you just plug in two microphones in there, and you can have decent interview sound quality for the two of you. It also comes with these extra microphones, windscreen muffs. So the purpose of these muffs is supposed to be when you go outdoor where there's a lot of wind. These spongy kind of reduce the wind distortion of the microphone while recording. But for my actual testing, it doesn't block off the wind that good. See if the microphone can pick up all these wind noise. Probably have to do a DIY of wind screening the mic. So if you are recording this outdoor, which is windy, it's best to get lavalier microphones windscreen. Those are the furry types cover that you cover the microphone. That way it will reduce a lot of distortion from the wind hitting the microphone. And also it comes with this TRRS to TRS adapter. So these TRRS adapters are designed more for like the smartphones connectors. It has a 3-ring connectors. But if you have like a DSLR or camcorder does not accept these type of connectors, the cool thing is it comes with a TRS adapter, which you can convert this into, so you can record audio that way. And this is the instruction booklet of the microphones. It has a checklist stating what it comes in the package. So it comes in 2 lavalier microphones with clips and wind muffs. Comes with 2 extension cords. Comes with 1 Y connector adapter, 1 4 to 3 pins adapter, and 1 storage pouch. So the best way to test out and let you hear the difference of these microphones, I will actually disconnect this microphone so you can hear a comparison between the built-in microphone in the camera versus the sound quality of using these microphones. That way you can clearly hear the difference between the built-in camera microphone versus the external microphone for comparison. Alright, I have just disconnected the microphone. So what you are actually hearing currently is the built-in microphone. And to test this out, I will repeatedly read out what comes in the package so you can hear the comparison. So the package, so this item comes with 2 lavalier microphones with clips and wind muff, 2 extension cords, 1 Y connector adapter, 4 to 3 pins adapter, and 1 storage pouch. Now I will reconnect these microphones back to the camera and read you the same thing, so you can hear the comparison to see if there is a big difference. Alright, I have just reconnected back the microphones, as you can see, or as you can hear. I would read the same script so you can actually hear the difference between the microphones. Once again, this package comes with 2 lavalier microphones with clips and wind muffs, 2 extension cords, 1 Y connector, 1 4 to 3 pins adapter, 1 storage pouch. So after reading all the description, can you hear a difference between the built-in microphone versus the external lavalier microphones? It should be a very significant difference. It should be much louder. And please stay tuned for the pros and cons of this product. We'll get into that very shortly. Meanwhile, if you like the video, please feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you like the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out. Okay, for the pros and cons of these microphones, I will start with the pros first. So for $20, it's really great value for the results that you are getting. So another pros of these microphones, I have actually compared them to a more popular microphone from Amazon, and they are $40. And I really think that this microphone is actually very comparable to the higher price $40. And in my opinion, I think these microphones may sound better that are sold for $40. And to be honest, for the build quality of these microphones is actually not bad. They're pretty good quality, especially these connectors, the whole total package. Everything feels really quality for the price that you are paying for. And another pros that I like about this whole package is it does comes with a lot of accessories, you know. So if you buy these separately on online, they actually cost probably maybe 10 times more than what you are paying for now. So like these extension cables, these adapters, these pouch and stuff, even these microphone muffs. So the total package, you really get a good value of this entire set. Now for the cons of these microphones, to be honest, I really don't have much of the cons, you know, because due to the price that you're paying for these microphones, it comes in two. The reason I bought the 2-set package is because it will be more convenient for me to throw one in the car, one in the backpack. It's like a buy one get two type of deal. But if I need to come down to giving a cons for these microphones, I would have to say if I start to talk very loud, it will have some distortion of these microphones. But other than that, if you talk in a regular sound tone voice, if you clip it lower from your mouth, they actually sound not that bad actually. Feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which really helps support the channel big time. So stay tuned for my next video because I will be doing a comparison between these SoLID microphones with the comparison for the more expensive $40 version of the microphone. So please stay tuned. So please hit the subscribe button so if I have any future videos, you'll be notified to check them out. And lastly, if you like the video, please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, links on the bottom description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. So how did I improve the video sound quality? Stay tuned to see what I used to improve the video sound quality right after this. So how did I improve the video sound quality? Stay tuned to see what I used to improve the video sound quality right after this. So how did I improve the video sound quality? Stay tuned to see what I used to improve the video sound quality right after this. Thank you for tuning. By the way, I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description. Okay. Feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which really helps support the channel big time.